Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some important question for BSc Nursing, CUET, Paramedical, NEET and other entrance exam from the chapter Communication System. So let's start the question. Question number first. The principle used for the transmission of light signal through the optical fiber is option A. Reflection, option B. Interference, option C. Total internal reflection, option D. Diffraction. The correct answer is option C. Total internal reflection. Total internal reflection is the principle used for the transmission of light signal through the optical fiber. Question number B. Essential element for a communication system are option A. Transmitter and receiver, option B. Receiver and communication system channel, option C. Transmitter and communication channel, option D. Transmitter communication channel and receiver. The correct answer is option D. Transmitter, communication channel and receiver is the essential element for communication system. Question number 3. A Hertz antenna is a straight conductor of length equal to option A. Half of the wavelength of radio signal to be transmitted, option B. Quarter of the wavelength of a radio signal to be transmitted, option C. Wavelength of the radio signal to be received, option D. Any length. The correct answer is option B. Half of the wavelength of the radio signal to be transmitted is a Hertz antenna is a straight conductor of the length is equal to half of the length of the radio signal to be transmitted. Question number 4. The loss of straight of a signal while propagating through a medium is known as option A. Reception, option B. Transmission, option C. Absorption, option D. Attenuation. The correct answer is option D. Attenuation. The loss of a state of a signal while propagating through a medium is known as attenuation. Question number 5. Which process of the increasing the strength of a signal using electric circuit is called option A. Amplification, option B. Demodulation, option C. Modulation, option D. Transmission. The correct answer is option C. Modulation. The process of increasing the strength of a signal using an electric circuit is called modulation. Question number 6. Which of the following devices is used as example of a point-to-point communication mode? Option A. Radio, option B. Telephone, option C. Modem, option D. Television. The correct answer is option B. Telephone. Devices is an example of point-to-point communication mode is telephone. Option B. Question number 7. Bandwidth refers to option A. Pattern of pulses, option B. Largest distance, option C. Frequency range, option D. None of these. The correct answer is option C. Frequency range. Bandwidth refers to frequency range. Question number 8. Large bandwidth for higher data rate is achieved by using option A. High frequency carrier wave, option B. High frequency audio wave, option C. Low frequency carrier wave, option D. Low frequency audio wave. The correct answer is option A. High frequency carrier wave. Large bandwidth for higher data rate is achieved by high frequency carrier wave. Question number 9. Which of the following is an example of broadcast mode of communication? Option A. Radio, option B. Television, option C. Both A and B, option D. Mobile. The correct answer is option C. Both A and B, radio and television, is the example for broadcast mode of communication. Question number 10. Which type of antenna is used in a radar and satellite communication? Option A. Omnidirectional, option B. Dipole, option C. None, option D. Dish. is the correct answer. This is the type of antenna is used in a radar and satellite communication. This. PAM stands for option A, power amplitude modulation, option B, pulse amplitude model, option C, pulse amplitude modulation, option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, pulse amplitude modulation. PAM stands for pulse amplitude modulation. Question number 12. How many code combinations are there in a bit type? Option A 512, option B 998, option C 628, option D 1029. The correct answer is option D 1028. Code combination are there in a bit type. Question number 13. A maximum distance up to which TV transmission from a TV tower of height h can be received is proportional to option A h1 by 2, option B h3 by 2, option C h, option D h की power 2. The correct answer is option A h1 by 2 is the proportional to h. Question number 14. Which of the following is the disadvantage of FM over AM? The correct answer is option A. Larger channel bandwidth require. The disadvantage is larger channel bandwidth require. Question number 15. Basically, the product modulator is option A, amplifier, option B, a mixer, option C, a phase separator, option D, a frequency separator. The correct answer is option B, a mixer. Basically, a modulator is a mixer. Question number 6. A modium is a option A, modulating device, option B, demodulating device, option C, transmitting device, option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option D, both A and B, modulating and demodulating device. A modium is a modulating and demodulating device. Option 17. Question number 17. If the frequency of the radio wave is greater than 54 megahertz, then option A, radio wave can be propagated only above 54 megahertz range, option B, radio wave absorbed by earth, option C, strength of signal become fade, option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, radio wave absorbed by earth. If the frequency of radio wave is greater than 54 megahertz, then radio wave absorbed by earth. Question number 18. In which of the frequency range space waves normally propagated? Option A, HF, option B, UHF, option C, VHF, option D, SHF. The correct answer is option B, UHF is the frequency range space waves are normally propagated. Question number 19. Range of frequency allocated for commercial FM radio broadcast is option A, 88 to 108 megahertz, option B, 8 to 88 megahertz, option C, 88 to 108 kilohertz, option D, 88 to 108 gigahertz. The correct answer is option A, 88 to 108 megahertz is the range of frequency allocated for commercial FM radio broadcast. Question number 20. For television broadcasting, the frequency amplified is option A, 30 to 300 megahertz, option B, 30 to 300 kilohertz, option C, 30 to 300 gigahertz, option D, 30 to 300 hertz. The correct answer is option A, 30 to 300 megahertz. For television broadcasting frequency amplified normally. 30 to 300 megahertz normally amplified. Question number 21. Indicate which one of the following system is digital. Option A, pulse position modulation. Option B, pulse code modulation. Option C, pulse width modulation. Option D, pulse amplitude modulation. The correct answer is option B, pulse code modulation. Pulse code modulation indicate digital system.